You may have heard that I'm not a fan of spinal manipulation. And that may seem crazy coming from a Santa Clarita chiropractor, but 9 out of 10 people agree with me, and so do most top researchers. Not because manipulation is headline news dangerous, or you're more likely to have a stroke or get paralyzed without spinal manipulation than with it, but because spinal manipulation is overly dramatic, traumatic, impersonal, and most importantly, unnecessary. Upper cervical chiropractic is gentle, precise, and just as effective, if not more so, without any of that neck twisting